What's up, guys? So, name is Jaime. I'm with my brother Sergio. It's over there, and we at where are we at?
OKQ.
What is it called?
OKQ.
Alright, I don't know what is it called. I couldn't understand, but it's where you get parts for cars and everything. So we're looking for what truck is it? Trailblazer. What year is it? 2008. We're looking for a 2008 Trailblazer. We got the tools here, and we're ready. What are we looking for though?
Tail light.
A tail light? Which one?
Passenger side.
Passenger side. All right, yeah, we're looking for the passenger side tail light. And yeah, he. What happened yesterday, dude?
I crashed.
You crashed? All right, I think we found it. We're about to go and. Oh, yep, I think we did. Yeah, guys can see there's a lot of snow. Look. And it's cold as shit. You found it? Alright, we found the truck that we need. So we're about to. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Okay. If you guys like it, how are we doing this? Just give it a like and everything, thumbs up. I'm not a mechanic. The mechanic is my brother. Introduce yourself.
Sergio Macias.
Alright, he's younger than me. He's my brother. He's how old are you? 18, right?
18. Sir.
Yeah, he's 18 years old. And he's a mechanic already. Where do you work?
Nissan dealership.
A Nissan dealership. 18-year-old. That's my little brother right there. I'm proud of him. Are you ready?
We're about to get this shit started.
Alright, you tell me what to do, because I'm a little retarded on this shit.
Pry bar, boy.
Alright. It's cold. I'm sorry, guys, I'm shaking a lot or anything, but it's cold as fuck.
Alright, look at that little bitch.
It's not opening?
Nope. You see this?
Yes, that's the one we need. This is the
baby.
tail light we need right here. He crashed into it. I'll show you guys later. How he broke it and shit. But this is the one that we need. It's brand new. It looks like it. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of cars as you guys can see. A lot of cars.
This is what we find. Alright.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna cut it here, and I'll show you guys how we take it off once we open the door. Peace out. Guys, it's me again.
Open it.
I'm trying to.
Huh?
I'm trying to, bro. It doesn't open. A ver, dale una patada. It's not opening, bro. Oh, it's so cold, guys, I swear. You guys can see there's a lot of snow. Man. Huh? Alright, guys. I'm gonna help him. Regresamos a la casa, ya quitamos el que estaba allá en el lugar donde estábamos. Entonces aquí les voy a enseñar ahorita cómo quitarlos. Me quitan primero los tornillos que tiene dos allá de este lado. Ahí todo. Aquí están los dos tornillos, como pueden ver. Se quitan los dos estos. Y luego después se zafa el de este.
Lo hacen para arriba primero para que se zafe. Y aquí es como se desconecta y se quita.
Ok, como pueden ver, es lo que tiene que hacer uno. Déjenme enseñarles el que él golpeó.
Y aquí está el otro.
Miren, amigos, aquí pueden ver como el que él golpeó. Lo pueden ver todo quebrado. Man,
Puro
entonces ya nomás se pone. Entonces ya nomás para poner el nuevo, pues lo pones para atrás y le pones sus dos tornillos. Y eso viene siendo todo, amigos. Espero que les guste. Fue rápido. Mi hermano y yo lo hicimos nomás por diversión. Espero que les guste.